enough with the cartoons. You'll rot your brains.
Oh, brain not right. Brain good. Just leave brain alone.
Oh, I've been watching so much TV I can't move my head.
I'll fix him.
Careful, Dad.
If I'd have been careful, I would have had you.
Oh, now I can't go to school or church. Hallelujah.
We're going to spend family time together without watching TV.
In the Depression, we'd sit around the wood stove and sing songs about poverty. Old poor Joe, the starving boy, had worms burrow in his feet. He heard there was work in Portland, but sadly he heard wrong. Oh, the railroad bulls, they rousted him and stuck him in a sack. They tied him to the train and pulled him down the track. They threw him off the bridge and they kicked him in the head.